fire from the stars. We split the stone's own atom apart. We forged great engines crowned with steel, yet we never searched the heart. The hands that learned to shape the flame could heal the earth or scar the sky. Every dawn becomes a choice, every dream a reason why.
The future waits on what we build,
not power but the path we choose.
for every world we dare create
Is another world we'll never lose. The furnaces glow through the dead of night, forging missiles by firelight. Bombs roll slowly down endless lines while fortunes rise from the cries of mankind. Boardrooms toast to another war, counting riches behind closed doors. The hands that build each steel machine can barely feed the ones they keep.
The losers pay with their labor's soul,
Their homes, their harvest, oil and gold.
the victors profit, the contracts grow,
While working souls reap all they sow.
from factory floors to the battlefield.
Every broken dream becomes another deal.
They whisper fear through glowing screens, till strangers wear imagined schemes. They draw new borders in our minds, while truth is blurred across lines.
The children dream the very same, a peaceful home, a family name. They laugh beneath the different sky, yet fall beneath the bombs we fly.
The forests burn, the rivers bleed,
The poison soil forgets its seed.
the smoke will drift on every breeze.
No flag can spare the dying trees.
The losers pay with blood and land,
Their lives signed off by unseen hands.
when fear's the crop, the powerful sow.
We reap the grief we'll never outgrow.
The kings wear suits, their crowns unseen, behind the logos, behind the screens. The names all change, the game remains. New flags still hide the old campaigns.
Kingdoms fade when their rulers die, but paper kingdoms never say goodbye. They feed on labor, land and years, growing stronger from our hopes and fears.
They build the bombs, rebuild the towns.
Sell the cure, then buy the crown.
Our time, attention, hands and gold.
Keep turning wheels we've never controlled.
No empire built on fear can stand.
Or flourish long by taking lead.
What steals from life must someday fall.
For nothing lives by taking all.
Build tomorrow, don't build war. Open every waiting door, where every hand can dream and grow, far beyond what we now know.
Make kindness life's greatest return.
Let every heart and spirit learn.
When doing good is how we rise.
We build our future, not our lies.
Let the wild and free.
One with earth, our destiny.
Build forever, hearts set free,
To write tomorrow's destiny.
where every dream can touch the sky,
And every spirit learns to fly.
no fear to chain the human mind.
No walls to leave a soul behind.
With every need forever met,
We chase the stars without regret.
let the machines build all we need.
While we become a higher sea.
In song and dance through stars we roam.
The universe becomes our home.
What if the greatest fortune ever made?
Was earned by the lives we've healed and saved.
What if the engines forged for war
Build green forests from shore to shore.
make kindness the greatest investment?
Make healing the highest return.
Let every machine build tomorrow,
While every soul has room to learn.
where rivers run clear and children sing,
Where every hand has everything.
where hearts create instead of fear.
And every passing year grows dear.
When building becomes worth more than breaking,
When giving becomes greater than taking.
we'll wonder why we march to war.
When paradise was worth
So much more. We never needed a bigger war machine, only a brighter dream to believe.
Give every engine a better mission.
To build a world beyond